Hi guys, it's Nikki, Creative Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to do the front post and back post stitches. You can create this technique with any stitch pretty much. Any basic stitches, whether it is half double crochet, double crochet, even single crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet, any that you prefer. In this example I have double crochet, okay? So let me teach you how to do that. I have here a chain of 2, and now I want to make double crochets. Okay, so in order to make double crochets in a front post version, so instead of going into your normal stitch like that, you're going to go around the back like this, and you're going to pull your yarn through there, and then you're doing your normal double crochet. That is a front post, also known as front raced, because it is raced towards the front. Let me see if you can see it. There you go. Alright, let's do that one more time. So you're going from the back around and pushing it towards the front, which is why it's called the front post. Pull your yarn back around. Now you have your 3 loops and you're doing a normal double crochet. So again, you can make this for any other stitch too, right? So now let's do that one more time. You're going to go around it, so you're pushing that double crochet from the front, from the row below to the front, pulling your yarn back around and making your double crochet. So it turns into a 3-dimensional, as you can see right here, which is front raced in this case. So let me show you now how to do the back. The back post goes exactly the opposite. You're coming from the back, going backwards, around that post. You can see that right here. So let me kind of do it a little bit more slower and a little bit more closer. Going around it, insert your hook, going around that post and going back to the back. So you're pushing that post to the back, pulling your yarn through, and now you're doing your normal double crochet in this case. Now you pushed it to the back. You see that? You pushed it to the back. So now let's do that one more time. Going from the back around to the front and back to the back. So you're pushing that post to the back. And you're doing your normal double crochet. Let's do that one more time. Around to the front, back around to the back, so pushing it to the back, which is why it's called the back post, and doing your normal double crochet. So let me show you now how this looks like. So if you have a front raced or front post, you're pushing your stitches to the front and you're having this gap in the back, okay, because you pushed it to the front. And the opposite happens for the back post. You're pushing it to the back and you have now the back being pushed to the back, which is called the back post, okay? So you have this 3-dimensional shape going on, okay? So this is how you do the front post and the back post stitches. You can do this for any other stitch as well. Same technique, front post, you coming from the front around, okay, and then pushing it to the front. For the back, you're coming from the back around to the front and going back to the back, okay? I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.